Thanks for watching. I'm Prerna Agarwal, Technical Product Owner for The Guardian. Today we'll be giving you Guardian updates of Sprint 23, which lasted from October 3rd to October 14th. Just a quick overview of the agenda. We are going to give you an update on the roadmap. We are also going to be reviewing the issues that we tackled in Sprint 23 that lasted from October 3rd to October 14th. Then we are going to flip over and give you the demo of the issues that we solved in Sprint 23. Then we are also going to be looking ahead as of week of October 17, which is Sprint 24. We are also going to take a look at what issues that we are going to be tackling in Sprint 24. We are going to be talking about the upcoming releases. We are also going to be giving you some of the ways that you can submit either bugs or policy requests through various different channels. So just a quick overview of the Guardian roadmap. Again, this is open source, so anyone can see that. All you need to do is install the Zenhub extension in Chrome. And when you travel to the Guardian GitHub repo, you will be able to see a tab to quickly open that up and see what's going on there. So as you can see, we are still working on multi-policy coverage. We are also working on the migration guide. We are working on API automation test suite, and we'll be starting working on the multi-MVP projects in the upcoming projects and the sprints. So just an overview over what we covered in Sprint 23. So in Sprint 23, we committed to 60 story points and then we delivered 33 story points. So these story points includes 1368 large enum values in the policy, 1313 enhancement to the remote workflow policy. We have also worked on some of the bugs, which includes 1208 events are not getting exported, 1395 issue raised while importing the policy, 1370 and 1369, and so on and so forth. Now let's look at the demo for Sprint 23. So the first ticket what we'll be looking at is 1368, which is large enum values in the policy. So currently we do not have a mechanism to handle large enum values in the policy from the external data. In order to solve this, let's look at our Guardian UI. Now to solve 1368, we have added a new tab called artifacts, where you can either import or delete the artifacts for the imported policy. As you can see, I have already imported remote workflow policy. That's the reason you see all the artifacts of that particular policy. In order to add more artifacts, you can either import by selecting that respective policy and then do a drag and drop from the local system, or you can either also select that particular JSON file or any other format from the local system, and it will get added over here with respect to that policy. In addition to that, you can also delete the artifact for that particular policy by clicking on the delete icon. To get more info on the artifacts, we have added our whole documentation in our docs, which is docs.hedera.com/guardian/artifacts demo, where you see a step-by-step process of how to import the artifacts for that particular policy and how to even delete the policy. So that was a solution for 1368. Now looking at the second, we will be looking at 1313, which is creating a remote workflow GHG policy. So currently we do not have a remote policy created to give a demo end-to-end with APIs and with the UI. We have also enhanced this remote workflow policy. So if you look at, we have added the remote workflow, imported the remote workflow policy. In order to get a complete details about the remote workflow policy, we have added a complete policy in our open source with each of the explanation of the description, the policy, workflow, and everything in our repo. So please have a look and let us know if you have any issues. Now that was a demo for Sprint 23. Now looking at Sprint 24, we'll be dealing with some of the issues, which is 1309, 1350, VP document size and projection fields. We'll be also looking at 1115, saving the unsafe form if error occurs. 1349, missing DB instance. We'll be also looking at 1376, which is chunking MRV data into units and aggregating reminders into new tokens, and so on and so forth. So talking about the releases, our last release was on Friday, September 30th, 2022. Our next release will be on Monday, October 31st, 2022. So there are multiple ways to reach out to us. You can reach out to us on GitHub. You can submit policy requests, enhancements, Or if you find some bugs, please go ahead and mention those bugs with us so that we can get our team on that. Also, if you haven't joined our Discord, come and join our conversation. It's at hedera.com/discord. And when you get there, search for sustainability channel or feel free to reach out to us directly. If you have some policy request by emailing us at info@envisionblockchain.com or through our website, which is www.envisionblockchain.com. Thank you. Have a good day.